Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about gender discrimination. Gender discrimination is a system of granting or preventing rights or opportunities based on gender. Females of a country have faced a discrimination for ages now and still continue to exist in various forms. Any denial of equality, gender or opportunity on the basis of gender is gender discrimination. Both women and men are important for the survival of society. Our society is a male dominant society. It makes its women addicted of this discrimination. As a result, most women fail to understand their own rights and freedom. Discrimination against females starts the moment they are born and continues till the last breath of their life. An unborn girl child is aborted with the help of sex discrimination techniques. A girl child who is born is seen as a liability on her parents or family and not given equal treatment as boys of the same family ever since birth. In some cases, she is not given the same food as the men of her family. It is a very common scene where grandmothers will feed their grandson their favorite fruit or sweet while the granddaughter will be standing in the corner of the room looking at her brother with hopeful eyes. She is not allowed to study like her brothers. It is a common scene where girls are asked to fetch water for their brothers even if both are sitting in the same room. Why only girls are asked to do house chores? Boys can also fetch water or do small chores. Women are not given equal status in the family. Children, especially sons, will not pay attention to what mothers say. Their father's word or opinions carry more weight. Even legally, women are denied from the property rights of their parents. All the property simply goes to the son, even though the law for equal property right has been issued. Society also favors men only. Though the number of working women is growing, preference is given to the male counterparts in the offices. More promotions are given to men. People are ready to find small mistakes women make in office so that their weakness can be highlighted. If men make small mistake, nobody bothers. But if women make the same mistake, she is talk of the town. The biggest example of gender biasing is prevalent in our society is the dowry system. It is because of the dowry system that girls are considered as burden by their parents. At the same time of the marriage, it becomes very difficult for the girl's parents to meet the demand of the groom's parents. Even after marriage, the girl's parents have to obey what boys and his parents say. In in-laws house, the woman is considered as a maid. She has to look after everybody and then also nobody is happy with her. The case becomes worse if she gives birth to a girl child. Everyone wants a boy. Why? Because girls were and will always be considered as a burden by the family and the society. She is tortured in the in-laws house for not bringing enough dowry, not doing enough work, on top of that not giving birth to a son. Discrimination against women is hampering the growth of a family and a society at all levels. It creates an inferiority complex in the women. Sometimes they become rebels and take wrong path to change a society. Women cannot even recognize their own capability. They simply think that they are good for nothing. A family where both the parents respect each other is a happy family. The children of these families are mentally stable. If a mother is happy, she will give love, care, and affection to her children. How will you expect her to take care of the family when she is being tortured mentally and physically every day? If both parents are working, it improves the economic status of the family and it increases the self-confidence of the lady of the house. But many traditional families will not let their women to work, which eventually leads to frustration. Women should be given freedom just like men. They should be given equal rights right from the beginning. Equal behavior is very important for their sound upbringing. They should be educated well and should be free to pursue higher studies. They should be free to work wherever they want to. They should be free to choose their life partner, and there should be a total ban on the dowry system. A society cannot progress if it does not respect its women. So I hope you liked today's discussion. If you did so, please do like, share, and comment the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.